Now we've moved all the piglets out of the farrowing room, we strip the room down, we take out all the creep bowls, we take any excess feed left in the sow's trough, any muck that's on the top of the slats we'll shovel up, we'll pack away all the sow cards and generally just have a quick tidy up before we put the sprinklers on. We'll leave the sprinklers on for 12 hours just to soak the floors before tomorrow when we'll come in and we will spray a foam detergent around the room. We'll leave that for at least half an hour to eat into the muck and the grime, and then we'll start pressure washing. Pressure wash the room tomorrow, and we will leave it over the weekend to dry before we disinfect next Monday or Tuesday. And again, leave it to dry before the next batch of sows come in on Friday next week. To start the whole process again, and they will farrow the following week.